Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little quick video. I just did a video on this infinity symbol, and right before it aired, while it was still loading, I kind of played around with it. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of this and rotate it 90 degrees. And that's how I ended the video, and then I started playing around with it. I'm going to go left click, right click. And then I'm going to weld this, and that weld is going to get rid of the lines. And then I'm going to Control D and I'm going to rotate it 20 degrees. It isn't going to come out perfect at 20 degrees, but it looks pretty cool because you got some bigger parts and littler parts, but you could figure out the math and weld that again. Take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in with any color you like, and it really kind of pops out. Would be a pretty cool design if you were going to cut that out of wood and possibly have it spin and make sure it's a hairline and take that to your laser and cut that out. All those pieces would fall out and look pretty cool, or even engraved if you made it black. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.